let us look at the next question. Amit's mother's age is 6 times his present age. 5 years from now, he will be 1/3 of his mother's present age. The question is, what are their present ages? Now, look at the first line. Amit's mother's age is 6 times his present age. So, we can assume the age of the son, that is Amit, as x. So, his mother's age is going to be, as per the question, 6 times his present age. So, if this is x, the mother's age will be 6x. Now, 5 years from now means he is talking about the future. 5 years from now, he will be, now after 5 years, the age of Amit will have to add 5 to this. So, age of Amit will be x plus 5. As per the question now, 5 years from now, he will be 1/3 his mother's present age. Please remember, in this question, do not add 5 to the mother's age, because he is comparing his future to his mother's present. So, therefore, we will add 5 here. So, x plus 5 is equal to 1/3 of his mother's present age. So, present age is 6x, that will remain as it is. So, this will be 1/3 into 6x. Solving this further, we get x plus 5 is equal to, you can cancel this, 3 1s are 3 2s are. So, this is 2x. Now, getting the x terms on one side and the constant to the other, the signs will change here. The plus 2x will become minus 2x and the plus 5 will become minus 5. So, here we get x minus 2x is equal to minus 5, minus x is equal to minus 5. So, minus minus gets cancelled, we get the value of x is 5, and we had assumed age of Amit as x, and age of Amit is now therefore 5, and the mother's age can be found out here because it is 6x. Substituting the value of x as 5, we get 6 into 5, therefore 6 into 5 becomes 30. So, final answer we will get the present ages of the son, that is Amit, will be x, and x is 5, and mother's age will be 6 into x, that is 6 into 5 as 30.